We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting medical terms in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. How do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, this is normally said as bronchitis. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the chi syllable. Bronchitis. In American English, however, this is usually pronounced as bronchitis. Bronchitis in American English versus bronchitis in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.